Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a powerful combination that can supercharge your lead generation, using Facebook ads and ChatGPT to generate over 55K leads per month. Whether you're a small business owner, a marketer, or an entrepreneur, these strategies will help you tap into the incredible potential of these tools. Stay with us till the end for some insider tips and actionable insights. Let's get started. 1. Understanding your audience. The first step to successful lead generation is understanding your audience. Who are they? What are their needs, interests, and pain points? Use Facebook's Audience Insights tool to gather detailed information about your target demographic. This data will help you create highly targeted ads that resonate with your audience. 2. Crafting compelling ad copy. Your ad copy is crucial for capturing attention and driving clicks. Use ChatGPT to craft compelling and engaging ad copy. ChatGPT can help you generate multiple variations of ad text, headlines, and descriptions, allowing you to test different versions and find the most effective ones. Make sure your ad copy includes a clear call to action, CTA, that directs users to your lead generation form or landing page. 3. Designing eye-catching visuals. Visual content plays a significant role in Facebook ads. Use high-quality images and videos that are relevant to your offer. Tools like Canva can help you design professional-looking visuals, even if you're not a graphic designer. Make sure your visuals are consistent with your brand and highlight the benefits of your offer. 4. Creating high-converting landing pages. Once users click on your ad, they should be directed to a high-converting landing page. Your landing page should be simple, visually appealing, and focused on a single goal: capturing leads. Use ChatGPT to create persuasive and informative content for your landing page, including headlines, bullet points, and testimonials. A well-optimized landing page can significantly boost your conversion rates. 5. Setting up lead forms. Facebook's lead forms are an excellent tool for capturing leads directly on the platform. These forms are pre-filled with users' information, making it easy for them to submit their details. Use ChatGPT to create engaging questions and responses for your lead form, ensuring that you gather valuable information while keeping the process user-friendly. 6. Running A/B tests. Testing is essential for optimizing your Facebook ads. Run A/B tests to compare different ad variations, such as images, headlines, and CTAs. Use the data from these tests to refine your ads and improve their performance. ChatGPT can help you generate multiple ad variations quickly, making the testing process more efficient. 7. Leveraging chatbots for engagement. Integrate ChatGPT-powered chatbots with your Facebook ads to engage users in real time. Chatbots can answer questions, provide additional information, and guide users through the lead generation process. This interactive experience can increase engagement and lead conversion rates. Make sure your chatbot is programmed to handle common queries and provide relevant responses. 8. Retargeting for maximum impact. Retargeting is a powerful strategy for converting leads who didn't take action the first time. Use Facebook's retargeting options to show ads to users who have previously interacted with your content or visited your landing page. Craft personalized retargeting messages with the help of ChatGPT to re-engage these users and encourage them to convert. 9. Monitoring and analyzing performance. Regularly monitor your ad performance using Facebook Ads Manager. Track key metrics such as click-through rates, CTR, conversion rates, and cost per lead, CPL. Use this data to identify what's working and what's not. ChatGPT can assist in generating reports and providing insights based on the performance data, helping you make informed decisions. 10. Scaling your campaigns. Once you've identified successful ad strategies, it's time to scale your campaigns. Increase your ad budget, expand your audience targeting, and test new ad creatives. Continuously refine your approach based on performance data to maximize your lead generation potential. ChatGPT can help you brainstorm new ideas and keep your campaigns fresh and effective. Conclusion. There you have it, the ultimate guide to generating 55K plus leads per month using Facebook ads and ChatGPT. Implement these strategies, stay focused, and watch your leads grow exponentially. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.